Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discover a pair of shoes. We are also doing an unboxing. I will also give you my honest opinion. Let's have a look. Ta-da! So the bag is actually really big. I can show you how big it is. So it is really a big bag. It's I really love Dior packaging. Also, this bag is amazing. I really think it looks so beautiful with the little star, with this gold Dior on this paper bag, and in the inside you've got this little insect, which is also really nice. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So, ta-da! Something very small in comparison to the bag. Let's take it out. Here's the packaging. We'll discover it. So you've got a little letter from Dior in which they explain that the item is handcrafted and that the materials are of high quality and therefore we need to take care of it. This was also in the box with the client service center. This is what I like about luxury stores, is that they care about the details, and I really appreciate it that we've got a little message when we purchase. So we've got here 2 dust bags. They are made of cotton. Ta-da! And here they are. Ta-da! These are the Dior Dior Kitten Hill slingbacks, made with patent leather in this gorgeous nude pink color. We've got this little bow detail. This nude color has got a pink undertone, I would say. It's very suitable for my skin. I have a cool undertone, so this suits my skin very well. I took my real size, 38.5. Yes, it's patent calf and the nude color. So for the size, I would say they are true to size. Usually I have a 38 when I wear really high heels. However, as they are kitten heels, then they are for me true to size and I can wear the 38.5. Why I chose them? I really liked this bow detail. It's really elegant, I think. It's nude pink. Also, because it is a pointed toe, I am petite, so they will elongate my legs. This is a very good tip that I can give you if you want. I really recommend to have one pair of heels, even if they are not very high, to have them in a pointed toe style if your feet allow it, because I know not for many people this type of toe is comfortable. So pointed heel and nude color elongates your leg. Nude color goes with everything. It goes with white, it goes with brownish colors, this nude colors. It also goes with black. I can tell you about the comfort. You can see that I've already worn them. They are more to my feet, so you can see that my feet goes until here. I would say I don't have very narrow feet. I also don't have wide feet. They are in between. And for me, they are perfect. They are not too tight here in the front. And usually I've got the problems in heels that the shoes are too loose at the back. However, these, you can see, they are quite narrow here. So for my feet, this is perfect. They hold well and they don't slip away, because that's the problem I usually have in heels. That my shoe, that this would then like move like this, and that I would lose my shoe while walking. And here it's not the case. Also, I think that this height is comfortable for me. I've worn them already, so you can see that the sole is quite a bit worn, but it doesn't matter. They are not worn enough. You can see it on the side that the sole is still intact, and today they will be a bit more worn. Then I will resole them to not damage the leather sole anymore. You need to know that when you purchase an Italian shoe, or a shoe that has Italian characteristics to it, it hasn't got any rubber sole. So it has got this leather sole, which you really need to wear. You need to wear this sole because the shoe, you can see, is quite hard. I cannot bend it. You see that I can really not bend it, and our foot is not meant to be like stiff in a shoe. It's meant to bend, and this will happen with a leather sole. The leather sole will be more flexible over time, the more and more you wear the shoe. And this is why it is so important that you wear your leather soled shoes when you feel that the shoe is getting more and more comfortable, because this is whole leather. It will mold to your feet, and when you see that it is more to your feet, then you can think of putting a rubber sole on it. About the comfort, from here it is not too narrow and this is not too wide, but I think even if you've got wide feet at the back, it would be able to stretch, because you've got these extensible stretchy straps on this side and in this side. The first time I wore them, it was for a wedding, and my feet, after 4 hours or so, they really hurt a lot, really a lot, because of the patent leather and the pointy toe. Then I wore them again and again and again. All in all, I would say I wore them like 48 hours. And they are now quite comfortable. I mean, the patent leather is a bit more flexible. You can see that my toe is visible here, because it has mold to my feet. And this is what I like about shoes, that they mold to your feet. The more you wear them, the more they get comfortable. Would I recommend them? Yes, totally. They are in the beginning not so comfortable, but they get so comfortable with time. You just need to give them a chance to mold to your feet, and they'll be good on you. I always recommend to wear and try on shoes in a store. So if you've got the chance to go to a Dior store, and if you're interested in these shoes, of course, then try them on. Even don't buy them the first time, maybe go there and try them on several times. Try them on, walk a few steps, walk 1 minute, 2 minutes around the store with the shoes, to see that you don't lose them, that they are not slippery, that it's not too tight. And that the height is also comfortable for you. Check everything in the store, please. If you find them beautiful, as I do, if you think that they are comfortable in the store, then you can purchase them and use them, of course, because they are there to be worn by us. Okay, so you can have a look. I will include some mod shots and you will see how I wear them casually or dressed up. I really like them, to be honest. I don't regret buying them at all. Yes, they were an expensive purchase. For shoes, I think over $300, 300 euros. It is really expensive for a shoe. And these were like, I think 800, 900. And for me, this is really expensive for a shoe because you need to keep in mind that they are in direct contact with the floor. So the damage will be quicker. But I still like them. And I'm happy that I got them. I usually wear flats in my day-to-day. And these are really, I keep them for special occasions like weddings or fancy restaurants. Or even for my holidays when we need to go to the restaurant from the hotel. These really do their job very well with the pointed toe and the nude color for this elongation effect. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I am really happy. This is my third video and I wanted to give you some feedback. I really enjoy doing this chit chat with you and explain how I like things, how I purchase them, the wear and tear. I really like this, and if you are interested in this kind of reviews and unboxings, then please follow me if you want. I would be very happy, and I really like when people give me thumbs up, and thank you for your support. I am so glad that my videos get some views, and yes, thank you and bye bye.